Hi everyone, my name is Varsha, and in today's video, we'll be talking about some things that I bought from Savana. I mean, they have so many cute things in the accessories section. I'm not even talking about the clothes that they have, that is a different dimension altogether. But the accessories I loved, and I wanted to get every single thing on there. I also shopped from them for the first time, so I thought I'll share it with you guys. मुझे क्या क्या cute मिला है. So without blabbering anymore, let's just start with the haul. So these are the two packages that I have from them. So we will dive into this one first because it has some of my favorite stuff. So the first thing that I got from them is this. They are calling it some tank top, but I'm calling it the vest top because it looks like a vest to me. And look at the colors and how pretty this is. I mean, so pretty. But the bad thing that happened with me on this is I got the wrong size. I ordered the wrong size by myself because I thought कि मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ. People were saying कि मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ. But actually मैं मोटी नहीं हुई हूँ कि मेरा size change हो जाए. So usually I get a small, but with these I got a medium. And now they're not fitting well, right? So I thought of exchanging it. The only bad thing about Savana is that they don't offer exchange. They only offer returns. So was pretty bummed about it. But I don't want to return this because I got it on a very good deal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna alter it by myself because it is very pretty and I don't want to buy it on a higher price. Next thing that I got is another vest tank top, but in a different color. Sorry, my nails are just not cooperating with me. This is also in the medium size. I'll have to alter it. But look at the color, how pretty it looks. I mean, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with both of them actually. So the next thing that I've got is the metal clothing adjusters. This is how it looks like. And you just like, if you're wearing jeans and your jeans are pretty loose, you can just uh, adjust it with this. So it is kind of helpful. That we do with the hairpin also, right? It's kind of like a hairpin, but not really a hairpin. So yes, that's what I got because I have loose jeans, loose kapde all the time. So it's better to have these. I have the other clothing adjusters also that I got from Amazon. They are just the worst thing to ever exist on this planet. I don't know how people are using them. The next thing that I have are these. These are called rhinestone garters. So when you are wearing something strapless, some strapless dress, you don't want the bra straps, like the regular bra straps to show. These will come for the rescue and they will look very pretty. You can replace your bra straps with these. So no one will be like, oh, your bra strap is showing, because people still do that and I don't know why. What is their problem? God only knows. They'll just announce it and I just hate that. But we calm down and we move on to the next thing. I have not changed my phone cover in like 2 years. Let me show you this one. And I love this so much that I can't get rid of this. But I wanted to try new phone cases. So I got two new phone cases. Which one is this? This is a very nice, what do we call it? Chocolatey maroon color kind of situation. It has some sparkles in it. The color screamed to me. So I was like, okay, just let me just get it. Another phone case, which looks something like this. So it has cute butterflies on it and it is silver in color. So I just wanted something extra for myself, although I'm not a very extra kind of person. I want to try it and how it will look in my hand. So it looks nice. The cutest thing that I bought are these hair clips. What are these called? So this is okay. मैं अपनी शक्ल क्यों आगे ले जाती हूँ? मुझे तो इसको आगे ले जाना है ना. This is how it looks like, and this is how I am gonna use it. So I'm just gonna put it like this on my hair so that my hair is not on my face. And I got like 5 pieces of these, and this was for 190 rupees. So the last thing that I last क्या होता है? Okay. So the last thing that I got are these studs. These are so cute, you guys. I don't know. They just reminded me of Bridgerton. Okay, so these are all the things that I got from Savannah, and I hope you liked this haul too. And if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. That would mean the absolute world for me. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.